Hey everybody. My wife and I recently visited Boston for a few days, and while we were there, we went to a place called Eataly. My wife found this place and said it's a chain that has 13 locations in the United States. I'd never heard of it before. It's more than a grocery store, more than restaurants, more than um, uh, cheese and deli shop. You just have to see it. So we're sharing it with you, and hope you're impressed as I was with it. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, we're here at Eataly in Boston at the Prudential Center. We got a pancetta croissant, we've got cheese and some fruit, and we got some lattes. This is a humongous store. Wow. Alright, we're gonna give the pancetta croissant a bite. My wife cut it up a little. Let's take a look at it. Look at that. That is a good savory breakfast sandwich. You've got the croissant, it's super light, buttery, flaky. The egg, while it's really thick, it's so fluffy, it just kind of melts in your mouth. And the pancetta, nice salty bite to it. That's nice. I like that a lot. Alright, we're gonna try a bite of this cheese assortment. This I've got, I think, what's goat cheese, a cranberry, and dried apricot. That is not goat cheese. That's like a gorgonzola. And that combination, that's delicious. That's really good. Dried apricot, cranberry, gorgonzola. Cheese is so creamy. This Eataly place, it's insane. I think I'll just stay here and keep eating until I burst and just die happy. It's really good. We'll be coming back here a little bit later too. Back at Eataly, we got a Tagliatelle and a Fritte fried melody of things. That's the Tagliatelle. That's the Fritte sampler. One of these is fish, and my wife does not want the fish. We're gonna give them a try. All right, we're gonna try a bite of this Tagliatelle. Look at that. That pasta for sure is to the tooth, al dente. Real nice beef short rib taste coming through the whole thing. It's really simple but really good, really nice. Now one of the fried Fritte bits, I think this is potato. It's good. Trying to figure out which one of these is the fish things. Alright, I think this is the salted cod Fritte. No, that's some kind of like orzo or rice or something. Maybe this one's the salted cod. That might be. That's the salted cod. It's not bad. Very salty, but not super fishy. Pretty good. A Panna Cotta out cafe. All right, give it a try. I don't know if it's a mousse or whatever's on top has got like a little bit of foaminess to it, but and then it's like custardy underneath. Pretty tasty. Light taste though, not too sweet. Yeah. Another winner at Eataly, Boston, Massachusetts.